Growing up, my mom used to tell me all the time, Bradley, it's not how much money you make, it's what you do with your money that counts. Well, sorry, Mom, you're only half right. You're actually kind of wrong as well, because I'd rather do the right thing with $300K a year than with $25K a year. In this video, I'll share with you why being too frugal can actually hurt your financial goals and the things that you really want most out of life. In the personal finance field, there are primarily two trains of thought. There is be extremely frugal, cut corners, live with roommates, have a crappy car, don't go out to eat, don't go out on vacations, and just save, save, save. And then there's the make all the money you can. Don't be a firefighter, don't do what you love. Instead, be a pharmaceutical drug salesman, make people sick, do whatever it takes as long as you add zeros to the account. And honestly, that doesn't account for what's important to you either. There needs to be a balance. And the way I look at it is there's always offense and there's always defense. You want to be like the New England Patriots or whatever team it is that dominates the sport you like watching. You want to have a strong defense. That would be like being frugal enough with your money to make sure that you are saving, you're investing, and you're not going into debt. But offense is just as important because you don't want to live a meager lifestyle where you're always cutting back. Because remember, you can only cut back so much. You don't want to be the point where you're not willing to invest in things that could bring you more money. For example, if you can continue making the right decisions with cutting back, then you can invest more in yourself, more in your kids, more in your relationships so that you can make more money. Look, if going to $1,000 weekend seminar was something that could help you make more money because you'd learn skills, you'd meet the right people, someone that focuses so much on being frugal would never go because $1,000, no way, I could save $1,000. But you're not understanding that that is an investment to make more money. Now, it takes a lot of clarity. For example, I teach my clients, you don't just say yes to every seminar, every investment, every course, because there's thousands of them. You want to make sure that you have the awareness to say, okay, what is going to bring my skill set to the next level? What is going to make me better at work so I can make more money or transition into something I like more? That's the kind of stuff you want to invest in. It doesn't mean you need to go to that weekend seminar for $1,000. Maybe you need a $200 marketing course because that's the stage you're at. You just need to know how to market yourself better, and that will bring you more clients, or that will make you better at your job so you get another raise. You can't say yes to everything, but you certainly shouldn't say no to everything. So you've got to find that balance of, I don't want to waste money doing things that aren't going to bring me the skill set, the relationships, the things to bring my income to the next level. But I also don't want to say no off the bat because I'm always looking at the cost. You want to make sure you're not stepping over dollars to pick up pennies. That's when being frugal is dangerous. When you're driving 5 miles out of the way to save 10 cents a gallon on gas, not realizing that that extra half hour that you're doing that, for one, it's costing you gas to go further, but also if you use that half hour towards creating content or towards making 5 extra calls at your job, you'll land a client that could bring you hundreds of dollars. Time is money. Everything has trade-offs. The bottom line is we have to focus on value. We don't always see what something truly costs because we only see the amount of time it would take and the amount of money, but we never see the opportunity cost. So we don't know who we'll meet at this networking event, what skill we'll learn, or how that skill could help us in the future. All we could do is paint the clearest picture possible. I'm currently in this spot. What would allow me to make more money? What direction do I want to go to? And what skill and what people do I need to meet in order for that to happen quicker? You want to make more money. You want to advance in your career. And honestly, if you don't, then that's fine, in which case you can be frugal. But for the rest of us, we want to live within our means, do the things we enjoy, but also learn, hey, maybe I should learn real estate investing on the side. Maybe I should learn how to sell on Amazon on the side. Maybe I should meet people that have side hustles that I could learn from. It's really matching that and not being afraid to invest in yourself and invest in the knowledge and the people getting in those groups so that you can make sure that you're increasing your income as well as staying within your means. That is my point. Don't be too frugal, just be frugal enough. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments section and see you next time.